Reflections is among the country's premier digital printing service providers. The company offers a full spectrum of digital imaging and traditional photographic services. But that is a small part of a very big picture. As innovators in photographic reproduction services, Color Reflections employs state-of-the-minute technologies to create a whole new realm of imaging possibilities.
Everything is possible. That's why it's so much fun to be in this business. And that's what keeps it exciting for us being in this business. So we've evolved and we've kept on the bleeding edge or the cutting edge of things in the digital world. We are always beta sites for new equipment.
It all began 50 years ago as Aero Graphics, a family-owned blueprint shop in Houston, Texas. During his summers, Eric Berger, the owner of Color Reflections Philadelphia, visited that blueprint shop. Summers of education became worlds of possibility.
Many years later, I was given the opportunity through my cousin who had taken over the blueprinting shop in Houston to open up a color shop. And at that point, I was in the real estate business, really didn't have any idea much about graphics or printing or anything of that nature, but learned by immersing myself in the business and also harking back to the days when I was in Houston and working in the blueprinting shop.
Now located throughout the country, Color Reflections has grown significantly by offering digital output services that continue to revolutionize the large-scale imaging market. At the forefront of the digital curve, Color Reflections has offered cutting-edge methods of printing large-format graphics using Durst Lambda, 3M2500 UV, Virtue, Heidelberg, and ViewTech machines. Such capabilities have enticed some of the country's largest retail brands to work with Color Reflections. Ann Taylor, American Eagle, Pep Boys, Cartier, Kenzo, Givenchy, Mars Candy Company, Disney, and many others all rely on Color Reflections to deliver their brand in crisp, vibrant color.
Our clients do run the gambit from public to private. Clients that we deal with require us and demand of us a high level of commitment. And we are extremely committed to our clients in making sure that things go smoothly, that we're attempting to be 100% problem-free. When an error or problem does occur, we are proactive in making things right.
Quality customer service has been a critical component to the company's success as well. It all begins with the sales process.
The most important thing is what the client needs. If they have a tight deadline, can we meet that deadline? And coming back to the production team here at Color Reflections so they understand the entire project and the scope.
Once you become a client, the people of Color Reflections deliver the best support services. Color Reflections provides its clients with online file transfer services, FTP upload capabilities, graphic design, color correction, and scanning services, all to ensure its clients with the world's most lifelike reproductions. But once these brilliant images are produced, Color Reflections offers the best in finishing options as well, from mounting to laminate and beyond.
We talk about if it's going to be inside or outside, what volume levels they're at, if it needs to be shipped, fulfilled on a national level, or if it's just possibly one store.
While the digital revolution once pushed Color Reflections to the front of the printing pack, service, diversity, and flexibility have become critical components to ongoing success.
We are going to need to invest in even faster, more equipment, better managed equipment, better management of production flow.
A new wave of technology is, once again, setting Color Reflections apart from its competition. For instance, On Demand has taken on a new dimension with variable data capabilities. Such technology gives clients the ability to engage in true one-to-one marketing, customizing any part of a document, from copy to graphics and photos, dynamically, during printing using personal preferences.
And what we do at Color Reflections, there's different checks and balances. We've written different proprietary web applications so that the clients give us the database of addresses. Everything gets plugged into the FedEx computer. Clients can go on and check to make sure things have been shipped. They can get tracking numbers. We even go as far as for custom installations that the installer uploads the picture of the finished installation to the web. The client can go on no matter where they are in the country, as long as they have the password and as long as they have a connection, and they can see what the finished installation looks like.
Your world is one that defies definition. It's a world spilling over with images of every size, images of stark contrast and vibrant color, images that make the imagination turn somersaults, images that grab the eye and don't let go, images that reflect who you are and what you stand for. By integrating traditional methods with digital technologies, Color Reflections has developed a reputation for providing your world's most lifelike reproductions with uncompromising customer service. And in a world where image is everything, there's no room for anything less.
Everything is possible.
Color Reflections reflect your world.